The UNINET IColor 350 laser sublimation printer has just landed at Heat Press Nation, and we didn't want to waste any time showing you the unboxing and first print. So this is going to be part 1 of 2 in our unboxing, setup, and demo of the UNINET IColor 350 laser sublimation printer. Now you did hear me correctly, I did say laser sublimation. Now nearly all other sublimation printers are going to be inkjet, which means they use a liquid ink system. With laser sublimation, the IColor 350 uses toner, which is more like a dry powder. This results in a more stable system that requires even less maintenance than with inkjet sublimation printers. Toner also produces a much higher yield per cartridge, which translates into significantly lower average cost per print. But enough talking, let's get to the unboxing. All right, so I got my box cutter right here. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Of course, anytime you're handling something sharp, you're gonna wanna be very careful. Okay, oh, here we go. There it is. Oh, that explains a whole lot. There's some staples here. So actually, now I see why my blade wasn't working. We got some staples here, so let's go ahead and remove those. Honestly, I don't mind when I see that things are packed very well, because to me, it just means that whatever's inside is going to be safe. Okay, there we go. Let's go ahead and open that up here. Careful with those staples, by the way. You don't want to get caught on those. I feel like it should be glowing. Yes, I'm so excited. All right, now I'm looking in here. There's a couple loose items. Oh, perfect. You do not want to lose this. This is iColor Sub Pack. This is actually the software. This is the color management software. What I recommend doing is have a place to set things aside. I'm gonna put all my important stuff right over here. Okay, now there is one other piece of loose floating material right here. It was hiding from me. And these are gonna be our cables. So there's a few things that are in here. We're actually gonna open this up in a little bit. There's a few packages in one single bag, but I'm gonna put this away safely. And we're gonna carefully remove the styrofoam inserts. Actually, I'm just gonna do this one at a time. You don't wanna break these. There we go. And the reason why, if you ever need to send it in for warranty servicing or anything like that, you're gonna need those foam inserts intact. Also, at this point, when we take the printer out, we're gonna inspect it just to make sure that there's no shipping damage. It's very important that you inspect your printer upon receipt. We don't anticipate any issues, but if there are, it's important to get those taken care of as soon as possible. Now, also, one more thing you do not want to do, you don't want to grab it by the bag and lift it out. So what we're going to do is I'm actually going to rotate it. And there we go. And so now there is these small inserts right here. If you did it the other way, we're at the front and the back of the printer, you're probably not going to have access to any grab points. So now, because I'm on a tabletop, I'm actually gonna have my friend Travis, he's gonna move the box out of the way for us. I would recommend just setting this box on the floor, pulling it out, and it'll be much easier to handle. But since we're on a tabletop for this video, I'm gonna have my buddy Travis help me out here. I'm gonna lift this out, and ooh, I'm not as strong as I thought. There we go, go ahead and pull that out. You'll see there are some foam inserts inside. Watch your fingers. All right, so now at this point, there's still a little bit more unpackaging to do, and you're gonna wanna be very careful. I could see there's some important documents and things inside here, so when I cut it out, I'm just gonna just a little piece at a time here. Just gonna kind of cut my way through, make sure you're lifting it away. Also, you don't wanna gouge your printer, right? There we go, there we go. So I'm gonna pull that out right now. This is amazing. This is the White Toner Beginner's Notebook. I love that they include this because you can keep notes for all your different projects. Look, I'm gonna be real. There are so many different projects that you're gonna be tackling, and so with every one, it's very important to keep notes. They also have a good guide. This is a great book right there. Now right here, of course, we have our power cable, very essential for our printer. Can't use it without it. And right here, they put it in bright orange because it's an important notice. Now this printer, of course, comes with a 90-day warranty standard. If you want to upgrade to a full 1 year of warranty, follow the instructions here. It's very important that you register for that warranty. You're also gonna get info on how to claim your free digital stock art from UNINET. And then of course they have some information on other elements, information on their white toner masterclass. Of course, this is sublimation printer, not white toner. But if you're interested in white toner, their masterclass, this guy, Brands and Empires, he's really cool. Anyways, so glad they included all of this with their printer. Okay, so now we've removed the plastic from our printer and we have this very important notice. It's in a few languages, so nobody misses it. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the adhesive tape and we're gonna pull up the lever. So to start, we're gonna start right here. There we go, and you see the adhesive tape. I'm just gonna remove that, and okay, so we've removed the tape and now we're gonna pull up these levers. It's gonna default in the envelope position, which I'm not 100% sure why that is, but I'm just gonna get these levers. And because we're gonna be printing documents, or more specifically transfers, we're just gonna put both of these blue levers up, and now this whole assembly is gonna come right back in, snap into place, and now we're gonna go through the rest of the machine. There's other pieces of tape that we do need to remove. All right, so now I'm gonna lift this tab right here. We're gonna open it up, and now we're gonna go ahead and set up our toners. So I'm coming back around here. First things first, this tape indicates where you need to start. And I'm gonna pull the toner out. As you can see here, there's a few more pieces of tape. You're gonna wanna make sure any orange tape, any packaging materials are gonna come out. And for this, we're gonna go ahead and if there's anything covering the toner, so you notice it has this paper protector. Now, before we remove this, what we are gonna do is we're gonna very carefully, gonna give it a good little shake. iColor recommends, give it a good little shake so that way any toner that was in there that may have settled and packed tight is now loose and free. So we're gonna remove the tape here like so. And now this is ready to get dropped right back in. Now that's gonna be the only one. The rest of these, just gonna give it a little shake. You wanna shake it actually away from the printer. I do see right here, another piece of tape. Let's see where that leads, there we go. Give it a little shake. Give it a little shake. Load those back in. Now on the back here, or actually we can go ahead and close this now. Now right here, there is one more piece of tape on the front that's gonna get taken care of. All right, so now, remove the tape there on the vents, and we are ready to get set up. All right, now we've successfully unpackaged everything. Let's get these other items that we first pulled out, let's get them out of their bags and see what we have here. All right, now this one, we're not gonna cut this bag open. Oh, correction. We're only gonna cut the outside bag open right here, there we go. First of all, this is our Ethernet cable. That's really cool. It's a Cat 5 cable in case you do want to connect to your network directly via Ethernet. Right here, this is the USB cable. This is what most of us are going to be using to connect with. So let's get this here. There we go, USB cable, nice. Now this is, well, this is trash. Now I love iColor for including this. It says, oops, accidents happened. Oh, sorry, accidents happened. We have included this toner magnet to clean up any spilled toner. So basically they're saying like, hey, we get it, toner happens. And so this cloth is specially designed to just, again, not on the interior, but pretty much anywhere else. I love that. Honestly, they really thought of everything with this printer. Big fan. And that is the unboxing portion of this video. Now you know what you're gonna find in the box with your UNINET iColor 350. But stay tuned for part 2, where we'll be guiding you through how to set up your machine and fire off your first print. We'll even be including a brief segment on how to sublimate a t-shirt. For more information on the UNINET iColor 350 and other sublimation products, please visit us at heatpressnation.com. And for more tutorials and other heat press content, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to hit that notification bell while you're at it.